Why do you yawn when you see others yawning? According to researchers, empathy is the most likely reason, known as echophenomena. Our brains are literally wired to copy people around us. As humans age, we enhance our psychosocial and neurological development, taking other individuals yawning as a cue that we should yawn as well. Studies have shown yawning triggers the mirror neurons in the right posterior inferior frontal gyrus of the brain, which are activated when performing goal-directed behavior for true imitation, making the yawning reflex physically impossible to resist as our brains are wired not to. Next time you see someone yawn, try your hardest not to.